Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ayo Devontae back with another video. Look, we on day 2 at the cruise boat. The room look crazy as fuck. We got Ariana eyes right there.
Nana said she got toothpaste.
Yo, shut the fuck up.
Totally stressed. Yo, stop talking to my nigga. Then we got the short midget nigga up here. Yo, short midget nigga. Hey, yo, what you doing, yo?
Yo, stop stepping on my toes.
Why
you doing, yo?
Hey, yo.
Get your ass up.
Nigga.
Get your ass up.
I am up.
We on day 2. We finna go bust down on the breakfast and shit. So I'm gonna catch y'all boys in a minute. I'm probably finna just go over there with my white beater and my trunks, cause we supposed to be getting in the pool. So yeah, word. Type shit. So we just got back to the room. You feel me? Housekeeper cleaned up the room for us, straightened up the beds and shit. So I'm finna climb up on the bunk
That
bed.
nigga made a fucking bear, G. He made a bear with the top.
That was the female.
I'm a fucker.
What?
I'm a roundhouse her shit, boy.
They do it all the time.
Shit, she getting fucked all the time.
Oh shit, this shit is kind of comfy up here, yo.
What's this cake like?
Yo, you trying to make a movie, yo? Get up here, yo. Get up here, yo. Let's make a movie real quick, yo. I got the camera. We get the last camera action, yo.
Bro, both of us on that shit is like 400 pounds. That's 2 seconds, shit. I didn't even go touch this shit.
Nigga said that shit fall in 2 seconds. Why you move my ladder, yo?
You getting these fucking steps back, cuz.
That's my ladder, yo.
Walking on that motherfucking shit like.
Yo, imagine that nigga lean forward and fell. Slow motion as fuck. Yo, Evan, hurry up and get your midget ass out.
Fuck off!
Bro, nah, if you seen the fucking doo-doo that just came out, bro, I was mad, bro. That shit was teeny as hell. Alright, chat, y'all already know what it is, but we on day 2. Y'all boys, feel me? What you trying to do, yo?
Put this shit up. Put this shit over there.
What you want to be dumb cold, huh?
Yeah.
You a bitch.
Stop fucking moving, jit.
Okay.
Be a good little bitch.
Get comfortable.
Huh?
Get comfortable.
What?
Try to take a shit, nigga.
Oh, alright. We at the top of the boat now. This is what the water look like out in the ocean. I'll show y'all a different view real quick. Hold on. Word. Huh?
Shut the fuck up, man.
What you mean? Ain't no land, just straight water and cloud. Goddamn. Yo, what if we see a shark on the side of that thing? Wanna go touch it? Finna go see if we can see one. Finna see if we can see one. Yeah, boy, that's not windy as hell. Ooh, the water is dope. Damn, yo, come on. You got me fucked. Yeah, this is where we be chilling at. This is the spot we was at last night, pretty much. This our spot, really. This is my little spot. I said, right here. No, don't take no pics, boy. Don't take no pics. Oh, what's up? Don't take no pics before I start shaking you, boy.
Hey, what's up with you? Look at it. Evan, bro. Evan, that elf is talking.
I'm glad my hair not up.
We just chilling for it. Just fucking about someone jumped off, but I'm not.
Like, imagine, like, somebody, like, this person comes on there. Like,
Nah, stop touching my ass, shit.
Yeah, did it.
Okay.
I see the kid. You still recording? Yeah. Hey, you a freaky boy. I see a kid right there. Don't let no make dumb ass. Oh, look, hold on. That's Asian shit right there. Look at that other ship over there, boy.
Under the motherfucking seat, my nigga.
That other ship look hard. But look, that's Asian and Jada right there. Oh, grandma. Hell yeah.
Get this nigga out, yo.
look at the camera, yo.
Let me shit, yo.
What you mean, yo?
Let me shit, yo.
Say cheese.
Yo, cheddar cheese, nigga.
Nigga said say cheese.
Alright, yo.
What you mean, yo?
Yo,
This
that
shit
nigga
is shaking, nigga. I'm about to fall off the toilet, nigga.
Damn, nigga. Yo, pause that shit. Yo, where the spray? Alright, bro, where the spray? Where the spray?
Nah,
Where
y'all
the
don't
spray?
listen to me.
taking pictures
Y'all
of that?
don't-
So we just got back from the goddamn the pool and shit. You know what I'm saying? We was up there having a great time. Sadly,
Suck
I
it,
ain't getting no footage for y'all because nobody was able to record.
Suck
We was
it,
all in
dick.
the water, so you
Suck
know what I'm
it,
saying.
dick.
But we finna go ahead and do some more shit. Oh my god, boy, they did a little hula hoop contest. Some thick ass grandma. Oh my god.
50 years old.
Bro, I wish I would have pulled on my camera, but I ain't want to be on no creep shit. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's cool to record and do shit, but I don't know. Zooming in on a person's ass and shit, that shit is weird to me. But I see YouTubers do that shit. Like, they'll see a bit with ass and they're like, but I feel like to me, that shit weird, bro. Like, you
Stop
just see a bit
fucking
with
talking
ass.
to me, yo. Why you looking at
But
me?
what the fuck? Yeah, tell that nigga, midget nigga. Tell him.
Bitch ass nigga.
Why do you have the snoozing sign on the fucking bathroom door, G?
Huh?
If y'all know, just put it outside.
Shut up, ho.
That's not mine,
You do
dumbass.
it.
I'm not fucking talking to
You
you,
do it.
bitch. I
You
said
do it.
y'all.
You do it.
It's
You
not
saying
mine.
y'all, but that's my shit.
All right, well then, if you just
Shut the fuck up.
You do it.
You just fucking
You
saying
do
that
it.
your fucking shit. So which one is
You
it?
do it.
Which one is it?
You do it.
Stop
Which one
fucking
is it,
talking
nigga?
to me,
You do
Jet.
Which one is it, nigga?
You do it then.
The fuck?
Do it then.
Fuck.
Do something.
You're a fucking
Do
shit,
something.
Jet.
What's up, Jet? What's up,
You
Jet?
just like being on
You
him,
ain't
like
on
nigga,
shit.
because you're fucking.
Oh, yeah. Slap her up, yo.
Bro, come on.
Told you it was finna get jumped, nigga.
Ow, but
Told you it was
fuck.
finna get jumped. Dirty ass.
Bitch ass.
That's why your braid coming out your head.
Damn.
Shit sticking out your head.
Bro.
Yo, that shit funny as hell, bro. Oh yeah, sure. That's a big ass tanker over there. What you doing, yo? Yo. Alright, y'all, just that little lounge area. We found my boy Terry on top. Feel me, little. Let me show y'all boys around real quick. Got the booth. And they got an umbrella in this bit too for the sun out. That shit hard. Dumbass just bought $20 worth of fucking candy. nigga talk about I got 10. I told you that was more than a pound. Hey, Evan. I told him when it was halfway full that shit felt more than a pound, right? Nigga talk about, nah, we good. Spent $20 on candy, bro. Oh, look at the cargo shit, yo. Cargo shit, yo. Look at the cargo shit, yo. Oh my God, look at this shit, yo. Oh yeah, that shit wrong. We got more over here too. Hold on, y'all. Got a whole section, bro. Look, chat. If y'all never been on a cruise, bro, this is my third cruise, but this cruise is way better than the other two I've been on. Like, I ain't even been on one. This one bigger than the other two. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it might be the same size, really, but it's just so like enjoyable, bro. I'm not gonna lie. There's so many. Rooms, you know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers be doing that shit up, alchemy. Got the water, we moving fast through that whole. It's a big ass glass right here, too. I don't know what this is. This looks like another lounge. Yeah, it's another lounge. That's cool. See, then you got all this shit on there. Hell yeah. Oh, that's that shit connect to a restaurant. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. But look, boy, if you ain't never been on a cruise, definitely recommend going. Y'all gonna love it. It's a great time. Go with people you can have fun with, bro. Like you could go with adults too, but a lot of the time the adults, unless you're a kid, they gonna try to boss you. So go with a group of teenagers. Go with
Yeah, ask him for his signature. He wrote a signature and he don't even have a signature.
What you mean? Everybody got a signature. Everybody has a
He
signature.
wrote an A.
They didn't ask for your initial, Jet.
It says signature, Jet.
Tony, signature
your
is your
name and
name.
last.
Your name in writing. You just write it out.
In cursive.
Yeah, if you don't know how to do cursive, you just write it out. I was never taught cursive, so I just write it out. Everybody got a signature.
Yeah.
Yes, and you finna eat 3 pounds of candy.
Not today, yo.
That shit better last you all 7 days.
Half
It's
is
not-
one of my mom.
Yo, me ma, bro. At night it looks so much nicer out here, bro. I'm not gonna lie, dog. What you doing over there, though? You twinkling your toes and shit. This is why you bought Wi-Fi so you can sit on different parts of the boat and watch TikTok. Ariana. Bro, she got Wi-Fi to sit on different spots of the boat and watch TikTok, bro. Meanwhile, we sitting here making shit happen out of nothing. We turning nothing into something. She sitting here. No, I mean, you know what? Finna get sturdy real quick.
Niggas reading the messages in the app.
Chat. I can get sturdy. T, I'm finna show y'all boys real quick. I've been practicing a little bit for me. We got the goddamn. Then you got the.
You gotta do the thing. You gotta do the thing. What I did with the church shoes at Walmart.
Oh, the goddamn.
That's so too funny, bro.
This nigga's talking about so you the bitch is snap. This nigga told me he started running like quick as hell, bro. I'm like, where is he going? This nigga Evan slowly put the shoes back and shit. Chat, bro, I have y'all propped up on a bar. Like, bro, I can record everything. Yo, I don't think niggas understand. Bro, being a YouTuber on a cruise is like a dream come true, bro. Like, what the fuck? It's just so much shit to record. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. You a hoe. Gee.
What's that purple thing, yo?
Damn, my legs actually ain't tugging. That should have had me put lotion on.
I got a nut.
Your grandma gave me. Let's switch the cross with my boy Evan real quick. Gave that boy my big ass cross. And then I took this nigga TD ass cross. Bro, that boy Crocs teeny as shit, bro. Evan, why are your feet this damn little, bro? This shouldn't even be like human, bro.
Evan, why are you okay? Yeah, where you going?
She going to take a nap.
10.
That's what a golf ball, the mini golf is. All right, here, come. Teeny ass Crocs. Look at them lad. Look at them shits, bro. That's crazy. We finally see land now. Easy. Easy.
But that boy neat. That boy neat. Oh, ever hit that, yo? Oh yeah, word.
Don't hit my ball. Don't hit my ball.
Alright, ever meet.
Check the watch real quick for me.
Oh yeah, check the watch.
It's
check
time
the
for me
watch.
to shit on this nigga.
Oh word.
Word.
Oh word. Come on, Evan. Evan, you got one shot, bro. I only need one shot. What you looking at, boy? Bro. I don't care for you, boy. Playing golf, yo. Oh, now you's a bitch. He just said a hoop and now he don't get on. Damn, what? You talking about the one in the green or the pink? Yeah, go get on now, yo. What you work? Oh shit, let me see what you working with, game. See what you working with real quick, yo. Oh shit. Right? Okay. You gotta get it. Type shit. Boy ain't meat as fuck. He ain't even get that hole in the hole first try.
Shut the fuck up. Go
Where
ahead,
you ass? Oh, it's my turn?
Yeah.
You know how I'm coming. You know what they call me, boy? You know what they call me?
What?
Shit, I don't even know.
Well then.
Like shit. Nah, they call me Starboy though.
Oh, hard.
Word. Put the chills on, bro.
Oh, that boy freeze.
Yeah, at least you gotta do the whole. Have it go.
I had to position it. I'm not doing that. I'm not bending over.
What?
Come on, Jay.
On the meat.
Evan, come on, bro.
Okay. Of course she's gonna say it's like squatting on the meat. That's why you ain't getting in the hole. It's like, but
Turn the Jay camera, boy.
take the damn camera.
Yeah, Jay.
You act like you not me. You hot ass. Let's see what you working with, dog. Boy, you is butt. Now look. Show me getting this shit on the second try so you can see how I'm really like that. Y'all know. I'm gonna do it left-handed too. I'm not even left-handed. Word. Type shit, second try. Y'all niggas is butt. Y'all getting shit on right now.
Evan.
Evan, you are meat. Tony, what you finna do, yo? You gonna have to whack it. That boy gotta whack it. Okay. Oh, he almost got it though. He almost got it though. Alright, come on, Evan. Let's see what you working with, yo. Come on, Evan, yo. Let's see what you working with, yo. Tony, he's so ass, bro. This nigga's so ass, bro. You suck ass, bro. I swear to God. Come on, Tony. Kaden, okay, look. Come on, bro. What's up? What's up with him? You a bitch. Yeah, I'm taking you 5 tries, boy. Yo, fucking meat. Yeah, Evan, I ain't gonna lie, you is shit, boy.
I was about to say, you ain't made
Boys, we dressed up for dinner now. We about to go to the formal dinner, so you feel me? Got the little turtleneck on, you feel me? Type shit. Yo, stop. Let me show them the fit. Yo, got the black jeans with the black khaki jeans and the goddamn forces. We got Ariana in the dress, feel me? Word. Then we got that midget nigga Evan over there.
I keep stepping
We
on
out.
the bucket.
Alright, y'all, we all dressed up for dinner. There you go, this Simone fit. As Jada fit. My boy Javon fit. And you got Ariana. And we over here taking pictures with the family and shit, so, you know what I mean? Word. I'm gonna hit y'all boys back when we get out of dinner, though. Alright, we just got back from eating dinner. Feel me? Yo, why do y'all keep touching me all like weird and strange? I ain't gonna lie, I forgot to record when we was eating dinner, but bro, day 2, fucking W. I ain't gonna lie to Sonny. If you, hey, fuck the food. Yo, tune it up. No, whoa. He got it. Hey, yo, the Sonny, boy, if you watch this vlog, my boy, you coming on the next one. Low key, we should do one where we all just go together. Fuck the adults. That should be better. Think about it. The possibilities are endless.
I'm gonna get my room and fucking bitch.
Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all.
It's
Pitch black. This what the ocean look like at night, boys. I can't see a goddamn thing out this motherfucker. It is pitch black. Yes, we on the yes, we on the y'all see that? Pitch black, boy. G. Y'all boys, it's currently dumb late at night. And we out here playing hide and seek, so y'all know we that fucking nigga. G. Bro, I feel like there's no way this is still deck 5, low key. It's just wild to me. Oh, I'm posting up right here. You think she'll see me through this? I doubt it. Can you guys see me through here? Nah, from right there, Evan, can you see me? Can you see me from right there, though? Damn. Alright, so I'm gonna sit over here in the cut. We're gonna post up like this. G. Oh, yeah, there's more chick over there. You right. We out. That nigga Tony sitting all the way right there. He finna get caught in like 2 seconds, bro. Look at this nigga. Hold on. Look at this nigga, bro. He just sitting right there. Nigga dumb. Oh yeah, right here is W spots. We're not getting caught here. Gee. That shit looking at me, bro? Yeah. Alright, gang. So look, chat. I ain't gonna lie. It's a W day 2, bro. Like, G, I got so much content for y'all of us just doing dumb shit. It's just like, go to vlogs, bro. Really, go to vlogs. And you know, I don't think I really gonna find us. What time it is? Let me show y'all the time, bro. Come on. Look at this shit. It's 12:22, bro. It's 12:22, bro. Feel me? Let me go ahead and take a hit with y'all boys. Like I said, I do not encourage smoking. Even though I smoke, I don't encourage it. But it's like I'm not gonna hide it from y'all because this is what I do. So I'm not gonna fake be somebody I'm not for the camera. You feel me? This is the shit I do. So y'all gonna see me do it. But I don't encourage doing it. You feel me? Don't do drugs. Kid.
Alright, so it's 12:34. She caught Tony. She caught Tony and we heard her laughing. She caught Tony and we heard her laughing, so we took off. So we out. I don't know if she seen us at all, but we just took off because I didn't see her. So I'm, you know, if I ain't see her, I don't think there's no possible way she seen us, right? So yeah, it's 12:34. She found Tony at 12:33 and we slid, but I ain't have the camera on. I ain't had the time to get that shit booted up. I ain't gonna lie. But we was out, so yeah. We're gonna keep this bitch on for a minute. Chill out. I low-key wanted to hide behind there, but I feel like it'd be weird. I don't know. Thing is, I mean, if we hide over here, we can't escape, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We can't escape. We can't escape. Really?
Oh, no, to the back.
Oh, you right. Alright. 12:35, y'all boys. Damn, that club lit. Hold on, I just seen her. Fuck, I just seen her. Evan, we gotta get missing. I just seen her over there. I seen her walking with Tony. We gotta get missing, gang. Come on, yo. I seen her walking with Tony, bro. I think she might have seen me, but if we get missing, she can't prove I was right there. Come on, gang. We gotta go. Finna quick scope that bit. Alright, we quick scoping down that bit. I don't see none. We good to go. I ain't gonna lie, Evan, bro. Alright. We good to go. Yo, bro. We really can't hide and seek on a cruise boat right now. Bro, I seen a big dude, and I seen a girl with curly hair, but I was like, wait. Ariana had on a white shirt, and I remember she didn't have on a white shirt, so I was like, oh shit, that probably was her. That's why I was like, oh shit, it's probably her. It's like maybe if we could beat them over here then. Feel me? Type shit. Oh. Yeah, we getting missing. We doing a dash. W hiders? I got a little meat. Best hiders ever. Where are they even at, though? I feel like she seen me and she went this way trying to get you. Yo, Evan, we're dead. We're so dead. Let's. Yeah, we just gotta chill in the back, bro. Wait. Right here. Come on. If they walk past us, quiet as fuck. Just sit right here. If they walk past us, we be quiet as hell, bro. Stand behind the table. Just get behind the table. Oh, yeah, boys. We posted up. We seen them, so they did go the other way. They went the long ass way. These niggas is bots, bro. I think I hear him. Oh, shit. I think I hear him. It's like if I know what side she coming from, I can get ready to go from the other side. Let me see if I can peek. Hold on. Hey, you see her coming from over here? I don't see her over there. I don't see her. I don't know what side we should go to. Bro, I don't know what side we should go to. Fuck, bro.
fault, bro. I'm sorry for how long these vlogs are gonna be. I'm just happy as hell to be here, bro. I think that was her. I think that was her and him, bro. Oh shit. We got missing. We got missing. We got missing. We got missing. Shit. Should we on the library? No, hell no. We got missing on the end. That was definitely them two I seen. They probably seen my head. But see, she has no way of proving she's seeing me. That's the problem. Cause she's not actually seeing my full body. She's seeing little glimpses of me. She has no way to prove it's actually me she's seeing. And she hasn't been able to point it out. So. They probably like, how do you think it's moving so fast? Bro, we all the way back when we first came to Hard Hat. They definitely won't catch us. Y'all already know what time it is. Back out there. What the fuck? Y'all came back over here to sit down? Wait. So who the fuck was that in the building?
Who the fuck was that over there? I thought I seen you.
Who the fuck was that in the building?
So, wow.
Nah, that was definitely y'all two in the building. Whoa. Nah, that's weird. Cause that was definitely them two.
Nigga, I thought I seen you all the way down there. That's what I was telling Tony.
You didn't come? If you see us? How we supposed to know if you see us, Ariana?
Nigga, I'm not in there. I was out here. And I
That's
thought
what I'm saying. But how do we know if you thought you seen it? We don't know if you seen us or not.
No, because I didn't want to say, like, I didn't want to call the name because I didn't know if it was you or not.
So
And he was looking at his phone like this, but he had on the same thing as you, but he was sitting in the corner by that little board back there on his phone. But
Tony,
he was calm
gang.
as shit. I
Tony.
just told Tony this shit.
Tony,
that
what
was
you
us.
mean, yo?
That's what I'm saying. You were supposed to come over there. We didn't know you seen us. That's why we took off. If we would have knew you seen us, we would have never
You was on
moved.
your phone?
Nah.
He
But
was
that-
looking down at his phone in the corner.
Yeah, but we were right next to him. Most likely. You know what I'm saying? You and Tony
Bro, I
were
didn't
supposed to
see.
get up.
I literally went back. I didn't see y'all at all.
Bro, there was two niggas that was literally just following us. It was like, bro, we both seen them two inside the building, right? I'm not tripping.
I haven't been. And Tony been right there the whole time. Cause I seen him like a whole long time ago when I first came out here. He was sitting right there. And then I went down there and I asked if y'all was like here. So I think I just seen y'all. And then he said, I don't know.
Who the fuck were we just running from, bro? No, I'm about to go to the room. What the fuck was that, demons?
Okay, but Tony, dog, did you see what the thing?
Bro, we literally were running from you niggas on camera, bro. Taking off, getting missing.
You have the video?
Yeah, I've been recording.
Go look at that shit. That was not.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Jet, we gonna have to check back the camera, but we wasn't getting chased by these niggas. They was outside the whole time. I don't know who the hell was following us, but she was outside and so was he. They said they were never chasing us, but we had somebody chasing us. Bro. That shit was weird, bro. So we off this deck. We on to the next one because shit creepy. And I'm fried, boy. But I'm about to go get me some pizza, so hell yeah. Boys, we down at the bottom. We finna go get some pizza and shit. You know what I'm saying? This floor about slippery as shit, dog. But yeah, that shit was trippy as hell, bro. I don't know what the fuck that was chasing us. But me and that nigga Evan for sure thought we seen Ariana Tony chasing us. So, I don't know. We all know. Niggas, y'all boys say bye to the day 2. Day 2. Yes, sir. We out on grandma. We got the pizza. Fuck up, bossa. We got the pizza. I'm stressed. Finna end off the night. We got a lot of shit to do tomorrow. We in Jamaica, so word. We gonna see what the fuck we get into. And I'ma fuck with y'all boys, man. Hope y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, man. Hit that sub button and goddamn, if you don't sub up, your grandma gay.